Hi everyone, hope all are doing well. Today I will be sharing a very simple recipe with potatoes, onions and frozen green peas. So my friends, sit back, relax and watch what I made for lunch today. Once the oil turned hot, I reduced the heat and added whole cumin seeds. Once the seeds started to splutter, I added a little bit of turmeric powder and immediately added the potatoes to prevent the turmeric from getting burnt. Next I added chopped onions, some green chilies and salt. You can leave out the green chilies. Then I made a little space in the pan, added a drop of oil and added tomato paste. You can even add tomato puree or tomato sauce. At this time I would say add whatever is on hand and convenient for you. If possible, keep some tomato paste or puree in your pantry. You can always freeze the leftovers if you are using the canned ones, and it always comes in handy for any recipe that calls for tomatoes. Next I just added a splash of water and covered the pan for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the potatoes have become tender. If you find that they are still not tender, then cover again for some more minutes. Next, I added frozen green peas. I soaked the peas in water before starting to cook so that they get thawed before adding to the pan. Now I increased the heat to high and tossed the potatoes from time to time so that they develop these crispy brown edges. I like serving this as a side with rice and dal, and my son today insisted on frying some papadums as well. So it's a very simple lunch but a very satisfying one, and I'm sure you will like it too. Please remember that I love reading all your comments and your feedback is always appreciated. This is Boombi and thanks for joining me. Take care of yourself and others. Bye bye.